位于夏威夷大岛的毛纳基亚火山，海拔达4207米。如果从海底算起，它的总高度达10203米。
开始。
Good, how are you?
Great, thank you. How many people?
5 people.
5. Have you driven here before?
No.
First time? Okay.
Yeah, first time.
How long have you been here at the Visitors Center?
Oh, we are over 30 minutes.
Okay,
Yeah.
wonderful. I'm just checking the fuel. It's more than half, perfect. We like to see minimum half here before going up.
Okay.
This drive is 30 minutes. It's 12 kilometers one way. The first half is gravel, and then it's pavement the rest of the way to the top.
Okay.
You are driving up to more than 4,000 meters. So if anybody does not feel well, headache, dizziness, things like that, the best thing to do is just come back down.
Okay.
And then sunset, the official time tonight is 5:54.
Okay.
So as soon as possible after that, just please start making your way back down. And then while you're here visiting, just please no drone flying or off-road driving or off-trail hiking also. And that includes the summit, the highest point up there.
Okay.
Four-wheel drive beyond this point.
Yes,
All right.
I did.
You're in the which setting? Is it the 4 low?
Follow, yes.
Okay, and then you should be in drive for the way up. And then coming down, same 4 low plus the sport mode, so that you can use gear 2 or 3 for coming back down.
Okay.
Yes, exactly, just like that.
Okay.
Any questions before going?
No,
It's all
we're
good?
Yeah.
Wonderful. Have a good evening. Thank you.
Thank you.
Good luck.
See you later.
See you later. Bye.
好，现在 off road。
从游客中心到山顶，大约有12公里的路程，其中8公里是颠簸的碎石子路，所以到了这里，只有4驱车才可以继续上山。在2个小时之内，就可以从海平面直接开车上升到海拔4200米的高度。这里拥有全球最佳的天文观测条件，有11个国家联合建造了13座天文台。山顶上给人的感觉特别的魔幻，头顶上天蓝的无边无际，眼前是一座座圆顶的天文台，脚下是茫茫的云海。由于海拔高度高，气压只有海平面的60%，含氧量低，因此更感觉这里美得令人窒息心动。Mauna Kea 在夏威夷语中意为白色的山峰，这里冬天的山顶会有积雪。对于夏威夷原住民来说， Mauna Kea 是神圣之地，是众神的居所和祖先灵魂的归宿。